Hey there, it's Jeremy at Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon again. Just wanted to show you finishing up the front end of this Agile RIP kit on this 21 Revel. Again, we're doing an Agile RIP kit, adding VanCompass Falcon rear shocks, adjustables, 6,400-pound springs, leaf springs from Agile because the client will be adding 28-gallon auxiliary fuel tank and towing with this van. Anyway, here on the front, just finishing this up, got the Agile coil assist spring over the factory strut and the max auxiliary shock. Client went with Bilstein's versus the Fox. This is how the front end looks without the coil saver cover that goes over the spring. We'll show you that on the other side. Wheel spacers and lugs to space the front and rear out to enable the standard methods to clear that coil spring. Again, here's the finished look with the Agile's coil saver, just to keep that spring and strut assembly clean. And we'll be finishing here soon, get it aligned, and the client will be able to enjoy it. If you have any questions, you can visit us on the web at www.matrixintegrated.cc, like Charlie. Again, Jeremy at Matrix Integrated in Oregon. Thanks, bye.